Dear students, today I am going to start exercise 12.1. Question number 1. Evaluate means we have to find the value of the given question. First part of this question is 3 raised to power minus 2. Now we cannot expand any exponent if it is negative. So we will write it as 1 upon 3 raised to power 2. Now we are using which law of exponent here? A raised to power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to power m. So 1 upon 3 raised to power 2 will become 1 upon 3 into 3. So we get our answer 1 upon 9. Now second part of this question is minus 4 to the power minus 2. Again we have to use here law of exponent. A raised to power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to power m. So we will write it as 1 upon minus 4 raised to power 2. Now we will write minus 4 2 times and we will multiply it. We get 1 upon 16 because we have two negative signs here and which is even. So on multiplying we get positive term. So third part of this question is 1 upon 2 raised to power minus 5. Now the term given within the bracket is a fraction. So when we will change the exponent from negative to positive, ultimately the term given in the bracket will be changed, written as its reciprocal. So 1 by 2 will be written as 2 by 1 raised to power 5, or simply you can write it as 2 raised to power 5. Now again we have used here a raised to power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to power m. Now 2 raised to power 5 means we will multiply 2 5 times, and on multiplying we get 32 as our answer. Now in question number 2 we are given simplify and express the result in power notation. It means we have not have to evaluate it. We have to write the answer in power form. So part 1 of this question is minus 4 raised to power 5 divided by minus 4 raised to power 8. Now here we are using law of exponent, that is a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m minus n. So here minus 4, here power is 5 and 8, so we will write 5 minus 8. Now it will become minus 4, 5 minus 8 is minus 3. Again we get negative exponent, so we will convert it into positive. So it will be written as 1 upon minus 4 to the power 3. Now at this step we are using a raised to power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to power m. Now we will leave the answer here because we have to express the answer in power notation. So our answer is 1 upon minus 4 to the power 3. Now second part of this question, we have 1 upon 2 raised to power 3 to the power 2. Now I will write it as 1 to the power 2 upon 2 raised to power 3 to the power 2. Now here I am using a raised to power m to the power n is equal to a m n. Now in numerator 1 square is 1, so it will be written as 1, but in denominator we have 3 exponent 3 inside the bracket and 2 outside the bracket. So 3 and 2 together will be multiplied. 3 2s are 6, so it will become 1 upon 2 raised to power 6. Part third is minus 3 raised to power 4 into 5 by 3 raised to power 4. In this part, both the bases are different but power is same. So we will use here the law of exponent, that is a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to ab to the power m. Now we will multiply both the terms, minus 3 into 5 by 3 raised to power 4. Now 3 will be cancelled with 3. So we are left with minus 5 raised to power 4. We can write minus 5 raised to power 4 as minus 1 into 5 raised to power 4. I have separated minus 1 from minus 5. So I have written, I have converted one term into two, that is minus 1 and 5 raised to power 4. Here we are using law of exponent, that is ab raised to power m is equal to a raised to power m into b raised to power m. Now we can write it as minus 1 raised to power 4 into 5 raised to power 4, which becomes 1 into 5 raised to power 4. So we get our answer as 5 raised to power 4. Fourth part is 3 raised to power minus 7 divided by 3 raised to power minus 10 into 3 raised to power minus 5. Now the two terms within bracket, they have division sign in between them. So we are using here law of exponent, that is am divided by an is equal to am minus n. So it will become 3 raised to power minus 7 minus 10, and the term outside the bracket will be written as it is. So now it will be written as 3 raised to power minus 7. Now we have minus sign outside the bracket, so minus 10 will become plus 10. Now 3 raised to power minus 7 plus 10 becomes 3 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power minus 5. Now at this step we are using a raised to power m into a raised to power n is equal to a m plus n, because in both the terms bases are same. So it will become 3 raised to power 3 plus minus 5. It becomes 3 raised to power 3 minus 5 is equal to 3 raised to power minus 2. Now at this step we are using law of exponent, that is a raised to power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to power m. So it will become 1 upon 3 raised to power 2. Now fifth part of this question is 2 raised to power minus 3 into minus 7 raised to power minus 3. Now both the terms are having same exponent, so we will use here the law of exponent, that is a raised to power m into b raised to power m is equal to ab raised to power m. So it will become 2 into minus 7 raised to power minus 3. Now 2 into minus 7 is minus 14 raised to power minus 3. Now here at this step we are using law of exponent, that is a raised to power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to power m. So it will become 1 upon minus 14 raised to power 3. So with this part question number 2 is completed.